is Claire. My husband set up the Wax Museum, well, bought the Wax Museum 20 odd years ago. So Taylor came and it took 9 months for her to be made. Like I say, we had to do a good job because we don't want to make the Swifties sad. So yeah, I hope the girls like, well, the Swifties like it. We'll know soon enough, won't we?
We're very big fans of her here at the museum, and obviously she's got a huge Irish following as well. So we really wanted something for not only our international visitors, but our local visitors to enjoy as well.
I think it's really good. It's really well done. Like, it looks exactly like her.
Yeah, I think the costume is so good. It's definitely one of the hardest costumes to make, and I think it looks great.
Yeah, and also it's from her Ears tour, and that was like so good for Taylor and everything. I just really like it. It's really well done.
It brings a different vibe here. It's like fun and colourful. It's really cool, yeah.
And her signature red lip.
Yeah.
So yeah, it takes about 9 months in total with the process. So that's planning, doing research, like picking which version of Taylor we wanted, and then actually doing the creation and then final touches. But like with this launch with Taylor, we've been renovating the museum as well. So we figured with this launch we would renovate the Hall of Fame. So it's been totally redone just for Taylor here.
But we're hoping that the public will enjoy the figure. We're obviously, the reason that we are bringing in new exhibitions to the museum is to engage with our visitors, to provide, a really good experience for them and making it more interactive and engaging. So hopefully with the way that Taylor's figure is positioned, we'll be able to get people to come in and take a lot of selfies, with herself, which is, that's what we're hoping for. We're hoping that they're going to like it.